Namaste, hello, vadakkam, whatever do you say it in your language. मैं आपकी बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ कि आप दोबारा मेरे वीडियो पे वापस आए. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ग्रेटफुल टू सोनी that I could record this video today and I could make a comeback for the Gloss Boss Glam Room. So yes, इस डिवाइस को सेटअप करते करते काफ़ी समय निकल गया, but let's get right into this video. तो भाई आज है हमारे पास कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स रिव्यू करने के लिए, एंड दैट इज़ फ्रॉम Hilary Rhoda, if you can see it here, and I have a full box of it. And guess what? These products were just 1000 rupees worth. मतलब 1000 रुपये में इतने सारे products. And by इतने सारे means let me open it in front of you and let me show you कि कितने सारे products. By the way, मैंने बहुत पहले ऑर्डर किए थे एंड काफ़ी समय से रखे हुए थे. आई कुड नॉट गेट द टाइम टू शूट, सो दिस इज़ अ फ्री गिफ्ट विच दे सेंट विद दिस ऑर्डर, एंड दैट इज़ अ ब्लू मूस lip and cheek tint from Hilary Rhoda, and it is in the shade 03 Flashy Pink, if you can see this. मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का नाम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दूंगी, so you guys will be able to find them, and इस रिव्यू के बाद अगर अच्छे लगे तो you can purchase them because obviously this makeup is really pretty cheap, right? So like 1000 रुपये में ये भी है and और भी हैं इसके अंदर अभी. So this is a palette. Let me open this first. आज हम इस पैलेट को ट्राई नहीं कर रहे हैं because we do not have any base on, and the day we do, we will try this palette also. Plus I'm unable to open it, so let me come back to you and open it.
One eternity later.
So finally ये खुल गया है. बहुत मेहनत, आज पता नहीं क्यों इतनी मेहनत हो रही है मेरे से, बट ठीक है. एंड प्लीज़ डू नॉट माइंड माई लैंग्वेज. आई टेंड टू फंबल समटाइम्स ड्यू टू नर्वसनेस, एंड काफ़ी दिन भी हो गए हैं हमें मिले हुए, सो दैट माइट बी द रीज़न टू. सो या अब ये पैलेट नहीं खुल रहा है मुझसे. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू ब्रेक इट दो. माई गॉड, the hell, they did hell with the packaging, dude. Okay, I got it open. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the palette, and I would definitely like to swatch it a little. This pink I'm assuming is for blush. Let me read the behind of this packaging, or this. Okay, this definitely has mica, dimethicone, talc. This is not an organic range of products, to be very honest, and it is imported and marketed from Delhi, so that is there. And this is 269 rupees का है ये palette. So I'm assuming this long one maybe a blush, but they are saying it is an eyeshadow palette, so maybe this is a pink eyeshadow, but let's try. All right, pigments, very much pigmented. All right, there is this brown shade that we are trying. Yeah, good, it's giving off good pigment. Let's try these glittery foiled shades. I would like to try this pink one. Oh my god, so much pigment, and you know, coverage for just 269 rupees. Oh my god, can you guys see this? So amazing. I really want to try other, shades from this. This green one also. Oh damn, can you just have a look at this? Oh my god, This is, oh my god, this is wow. Amazing, amazing. Alright, this palette we will save for another day while we use it on the eyes, and let's move on to the other products. Alright, so the reason why I am not dolled up and I am, oh fuck, sorry for my language, YouTube. So I'm not dolled up or I do not have any base on is because it's a weekday and I have to get some official things done time to time, and I cannot wear a full face of makeup and you know, समझो यार थोड़ा सा मतलब दिक्कत होती है मुझे, ऐसे अजीब लगेगा. So I saved this palette for next time when I will be reviewing some more products with it, and I promised to review 3 mystery minis which I will be reviewing with this palette. So when we have a full face of, you know, makeup. Also, I ordered some, you know, gel eyeliners from the same brand, Hilary Rhoda, and you can see they are of 3 different colors. So yeah, let's try them on our hand itself. I'll swatch it today because this is a part of eye and I want to give it full justice when I have, you know, full face of makeup on and I'm doing the eye stuff. So yeah, we're not here just for makeup, right? And this channel is all about fun, gossips and makeup. So lately I've been, you know, going through a lot of existential, you know, crisis. काफ़ी, you know, पुराने videos मेरे जो भी YouTube पे देख के, you know, I was getting like मैं overthink करने लग गई थी कि यार, you know, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब बोलती हूँ या, you know, this is not my cup of tea, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. I know I can do it, but the point is sometime, you know, that overthinking, you know, takes a toll on you and आप भूल जाते हो कि, you know, life में आपके पास क्या है. And no, sorry to say, do not get offended, but sometimes people have qualities and they do not have those, you know, resources. वो लोग उन्हें showcase ही नहीं कर पाते. हाँ, हालांकि you know, talent की कदर पूरी दुनिया में है. जहाँ जिसका talent, you know, चमक जाता है, वो दिख जाता है, वो आगे बढ़ जाता है. But being said that, I also did not have that much resources. But yeah, अभी है तो मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि why am I, you know, behaving like lazy कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना, मेरा मन नहीं है, you know, and मतलब ओस के भरोसे घड़ा फोड़ना. मेरी मम्मी हमेशा कहती है कि तुम ओस के भरोसे क्यों घड़ा फोड़ रहे हो, मतलब why are you waiting for the right time to happen? Create the right time for yourself ना, मतलब अपनी सिचुएशन, अपना right time अपना खुद बना लो तुम. जब तुम्हारा समय आएगा तब तो आएगा ही आएगा, बट अपने लिए अपना राइट टाइम पहले तुम खुद ही बना लो. पहले से मेहनत तो करो, क्या पता तुम्हारा राइट टाइम पहले आ जाए. सो मूविंग बैक टू आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस इज gel eyeliner by Hilary Rhoda and it is in the range of Play and Blend. इसका shade name, I don't see a shade name here. And this retails for $229 each. So all these are like, this is also $229. This is, I think, $229. Yes, all of them are $229 each. And they discounted me while I purchased all these products. They discounted me, and that's how I got all these products off of their Hilary Rhoda's website in a heavy discount. Like just 1,000 rupees में इतने सारे products यार. I can't even, you know, I can't even. So this, I really cannot, you know, see a shade name here. Okay, yeah, it is written here, very small, Purple Drama. Very small. If you know the camera can, I don't think you will be able to see it. All right, let's watch it. Let's see what it gives off. See, I fumble a lot. Oh my god, dude, are you serious? This much pigment. Like if you can see it, this much pigment, man. You are magic. All right. So let's see what they claim. This is an ultra creamy formula. Inbuilt smudger is also there. So this is the gel eyeliner and this is the smudger. I'm silly, I know. So this is the smudger that they have given, and all right, wow, all right. Even like if I smudge, it is not going away completely and it is smudging very well. Let's see in the other video how it works on our eyes. And yeah, it is very pigmented, dude. And they are also claiming it is that it has a seamlessly blending gel eyeliner. All right, I really like the pigment, but yeah, I would wait to try it on my eyes in the next video. Moving on to the next color, and that is blue. I don't know for some reason I really like blue kajals or blue gel liners. So I think it makes my eyes look better because I have brown eyes. So blue and green, yeah, both of these colors I really like. This, and this is giving me the packaging is giving me metallic blue kind of vibe. So yeah. Then moving back to my life gossips. I am a PR consultant, and I give PR on a freelance basis also. So I recently there was a client. I pitched her on LinkedIn, and she came to me and like via WhatsApp she connected with me, and she was like, hey, I want a PR manager in India. She was in Canada. I cannot reveal the names and anything because I signed an NDA with her. But yeah, I can definitely reveal what fraud she did. So basically, this girl, she was a very young girl, right? And she was like, I'm an influencer on Instagram. I do not have YouTube currently, but I'm trying to open YouTube channel as well and whatnot, whatever the blabber she gave me, right? So I was like, yeah, I would help you with the calendars and strategy and everything, the planning, सब कुछ मैंने उसको बोला मैं help कर दूँगी तुमको. So we signed agreements, we signed NDAs and whatnot, and we were like, you have to give some percentage of the retainer in advance, right? तो कहती है कि यार मेरा इतना मतलब I'm not capable, that much capable. आपने जो कोट किया रिटेनर इट्स फाइन विद मी, बट मैं ऐसे पूरा रिटेनर आपको मतलब नहीं दे पाऊंगी एडवांस में, मैं आपको कुछ परसेंटेज. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है आप 50% दे दो. तो शी गेव अस 50% रिटेनर. ऑलराइट. देन उसने क्या किया, हमने उसको बोला कि क्योंकि हमारी एक डेट डिसाइड हुई है रिटेनर फीस पे करने की इन फुल एवरी मंथ, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ फर्स्ट मंथ में आपको ऐसा करने के लिए दे रहे हैं कि यू कैन स्प्लिट द रिटेनर फी इन द हाफ. तो पे अस आई थिंक 5 to 6 days before the retainer fee is approaching as per the written agreement. ठीक है. And we asked her for the money and we said we will bill you, we will give you the bill, and जो हमने नहीं किया है we will reduce that from the invoice, that like वो एक monthly invoice जाता है उसमें हम reduce कर देंगे, right? And she's like हाँ okay, send it to me and all. So she lives in Canada, we live in India, and she has hired us for PR. I don't know for what reason, but because it was a business opportunity, I did not say no, right? And she was giving money also. So I billed her, I gave her the billing expenses and everything, and I was like, okay, fine. She reverted back with a fake legal notice stating that I have not given her services, I have not picked up her calls, I have not, seen her messages, and now she's suing me. So at an instant I understood कि हाँ ठीक है तू कर ले तेरे को जो करना है. I do not care because I'm not in the wrong. I have all the paperwork, I have all the chats, I have all the call logs. ठीक है जिस पे भी हमने बात करी है, and I have recorded meeting sessions. I have minutes of meeting. You cannot sue me like that, and ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, right? So basically जो भी हुआ at the end of the day she ran away. ठीक है, मैंने उसको रिप्लाई किया था उसके मेल पे. शी रैन अवे, शी डिड नॉट रिप्लाई टू दैट मेल, एंड टिल डेट हमने उसका पूरा महीने का काम किया है ना, एंड रिड्यूस भी करा वो 7 दिन का जो काम नहीं किया था हम लोगों ने. वो पैसा अभी तक इट इज आउट ऑफ साइट, इट्स नोवेयर टू बी सीन. खैर, लेट्स ट्राई ऑन दिस मेटालिक ब्लू कलर, एंड इसका शेड है डार्क ब्लू टोपैज. नाइस नेम. Dude, would you see this? Oh my god. What are they doing with these, indie? Obviously, this is an indie brand, I think so. My god, so much pigment. Who hurt you, Hillary? Who hurt you, man? Do not mind me, I'm funny this way. Same ही खोल लो मैं. दूसरा खोलने का है मेरे को. ये वाला खोल रही थी यार मैं. क्या करूँ? Alright. बहुत बोलती हूँ मैं, but खोल लूँ इसे भी मैं. बहुत ही देसी तरीका है. देखो मैं बिल्कुल भी ना, आई एम वेरी पॉइज्ड ऑब्वियसली, बट when it comes to opening things I become very desi, and I'm proud to be desi. I'm happy that way. थोड़ी सी messy हूँ, थोड़ी सी फंबल कर जाती हूँ कभी कभी, बट एटलीस्ट आई एम रियल. आई try to say truth at all times unless and until it is hurting somebody. But yeah, but लोग मेरे साथ ऐसा behave नहीं करते. They always try to, you know, take advantage of me. Now that I have, you know, achieved some things, मैं job करती हूँ या जो भी करती हूँ, now that I have money, so people come to me कि oh we need your help, we want this. They will try to hang out with me and they will be like oh my god Anushka, you're such a good person. यार पर मेरा ना ये काम करा दे. I really hate those people, but unfortunately उस तरह के बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरी लाइफ में. And now that I'm growing old, I understand who is playing with me and who is not. जब see, I come from a very you know, lower middle class. I was in the lower middle class, and मैंने देखा है कि you know लोग मेरे डैड मेरे मॉम कैसे you know they used to make their ends meet, and कैसे हम लोग उस चीज़ को you know पार करके आगे बढ़े and उस सिचुएशन से लड़े. I know the value of money in my life, and now that I am well off, my dad is doing good, I am also doing good, my mom is also doing good, our whole family is doing good. तो अब लोग आते हैं नो कि you know तुम तो हम I always believed in you, तुम तो हमेशा से ही बहुत अच्छी थी, ये तुम्हारी मदर बहुत अच्छी थी. मतलब मेरे पापा को भी ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं, मेरी मम्मी को. But now we understand that you know people do this with us. So yeah, trying on our last gel liner. Oh my god, this is way too this is very golden, this is very creamy. I don't know how I will remove this. बहुत चमक रहा है डूडी ये लाइट में. सी थोड़ा सा लाइटिंग चेंज करती हूँ मैं. ऑलराइट, आई होप अब ना चमके ये. सी सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज लुकिंग. माय गॉड, आई नीड टू ट्राई दीज, यू नो, दिस आई लुक दैट आई एम प्लानिंग राइट नाउ. So I'm happy that we, you know, swatched some of the shades from this palette and all these, you know, these three gel liners from Hilary Rhoda. I'm waiting when I will be, you know, making this eye look. But yeah, I'm very hopeful for this eye look. And moving on to the lip base. And yeah, आज मैं बहुत थकी भी हुई हूँ. कल it is 5th of March today. And yesterday India won against Australia and I was shouting like a maniac. I was so happy. I was like yay, see, my voice is breaking up. And as soon as I reached home, I was like oh my god, my headache, my migraine, you know. So we have three products which we can try on our skin today without any makeup. I've just, you know, put on some moisturizer and sunscreen and that's it. So I want to try this first. It is a very cute lip balm. So see, it turns like this and, you know, forms a heart. It is so cute. Oh my god. And it's so easy to carry also. Like, you know, if you want to carry it like this, you can carry it like this. And if you want to carry it like this, you can carry it like, oh my god, so cute. So the white one here, I've literally not touched these products also, just for you guys. So sorry that I'm making faces. I'm a first girl. So I was able to remove the, you know, the thing that was behind this that was stopping. Okay, so see, this is, you know, this is the colorless lip balm, like transparent, and smells like, you know, it reminds me of something, you know, nostalgic. कुछ बड़ी nostalgic सी smell है, fruity type की, but I cannot put a finger on that कि कौन सी smell है. This smells like nothing. It is good, fragrance free होना चाहिए. So let's try I'm forgetting my words. Let's try this white one. I will say white one only now. Okay. All right. It's very hydrating, I would say. Very hydrating. Nice. I like it. And no, I did not have any lip balm on before this video. I just had a lip mask on. That's why my lips were shining. So obviously it has wiped off the lip mask. see. So yeah. Okay, lip balms I'm not a fan of that much. I enjoy lipsticks more, hydrating lipsticks more. So yeah. Okay, this is red, and I did not tell you the shade. I don't know the shade. Actually, it is not even written here. No, there is no shade. Why? Guys, Hillary, write the shades. Okay. Alright. It is giving some good tint. Definitely, I can, if you're an office going girl and if you don't want to put any lipstick or anything like that, you can definitely go ahead and pop this on, and it will look good on you. It will look great on you. I have a little dusky wheatish kind of color, and I would definitely recommend that. This color is looking really good. Amazing. I like it. It's very nice. It's very बिल्कुल apt है एकदम, कि जब मुझे नहीं lipstick wear करना, I do not want to ruin my lips, and I want to give them a break. It's good. It's a really nice product. So by the way, these glasses are from Voyage Go Eye Eyewear, and I don't know the frame name. I just liked it and ordered it. I know some people might be thinking कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे रिस्पॉन्स दिया ये अच्छा लग रहा है, फिर कुछ लोगों को दिया अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I am pretty much not, I do not care. I wanted something big. बड़ा फ्रेम चाहिए था मुझे, क्योंकि obviously it's a lot of work on laptops and everything, and थोड़ा सा I needed some space for my eyes to move. छोटा frame, you have to look down and up and down. Like ये मेरी psychology है, so you cannot really help it. I like it the way it is. So yeah, I like bigger specs a lot, to be very precise. All right, so next on we are trying on their lip crayon, if you can see it, and it is in the range Kissable. It is hydrating and smooth, and it lasts up to 12 hours. So they are claiming this, that it is 12-hour long lasting, and 07 Hazel is the shade. So again, Hillary, do not disappoint me. Okay, the color is really nice. Let's apply it on the lips, and I have lost my mirror. No, I have not. No, I haven't. All right. So I'm very hopeful with this color. It's a very nice shade. I like nude lipsticks a lot, but yeah, when I go for bold ones, obviously red is my favorite. The fact that I'm trying this lipstick without base is because I want to know the actual pigment, because many of us girls do not want to throw on a base and go out, and we just want a lipstick to be there, right? So I'm trying to see how much it shows up without a lip liner onto my lips. Okay, it dries fast. It's comfortable on my lips. I am not experiencing any there is no dryness at all. It is quite hydrating. Really like this shade, but it definitely looks like this on in the packaging, but it is not that pigmented. I feel it is not that pigmented. Maybe it will be pigmented. It will look a little more darker on a fairer skin, but I'm happy with this shade. I would definitely wear it today when I go to the gym or somewhere out. Yeah, it is a good shade. I really like it. Even I can wear it to the office, but I would need a lip liner for applying this. And इसमें ना एक तो पता है दिक्कत ये है कि इन्होंने ज़्यादा डिटेल्स दी नहीं है प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग के ऊपर, and it is all given in that I've thrown it away. It is all given in that छोटा सा स्टिकर जो यहाँ पे लगा रहता है उस पे दिया हुआ है. It does not work like that. थोड़ा सा आपको प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल्स like how many ounces of product is in there, and ये थोड़ा सा आपको देना चाहिए। इस पे हालांकि ज़रूर शेड नेम बहुत अच्छे से मेंशन था, रेंज भी अच्छे से मेंशन थी, एंड सब कुछ अच्छे से मेंशन था, सो आई रियली लाइक दिस। Comparing it with other lipsticks that I've tried of the same texture, yeah, I would give it a 6 out of 10. Not even 6, 7 out of 10. Yeah, definitely. Alright, so we are on to our last but not the least product, and that is Blossom Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint from Hilary Rhoda. It is in the shade Flashy Pink 03 Flashy Pink. Alright, so let's see what it is like. Really good packaging, by the way. It is very safe to put this kind of lid over your, in your product packaging. Alright, let's see with our bare hands. Ooh, it's quite jelly-like. See if you can see. Right, I do not want that much product. Alright, so I will apply this tint first on my lips. Too light for my skin. It's way too light. Maybe if I put on a base and then I can, apply it. But it's too light. Alright, let's see how it works out on my cheeks. Cheeks पे तो it is good. You can apply it without a base. Really like it. Really good. Amazing. हाँ, lips पे I would not. But ये थोड़ा सा slippery, base है इसका, formula है. So do not expect it to stay for long without a base on your cheeks. Alright. But yeah, it looks cute. It looks good. It is definitely good for a sundowner evening kind of a event if you're going to. Alright, so coming back to eyeshadow, our first product. This is really nice. While swatching, this was really pigmented. So without trying on the eyes, I would not rate it right now. Then second, we will come on our liners. Definitely very pigmented and very glossy and very firm, and I hope it stays for long. It is very pigmented, you can see it also. So yeah, I would rate these 7 out of 10. Yeah, because they have a good pigment and I'm hoping for them to stay longer. So that we will be able to see in our next video. Then coming back to our lips, I really like this combo. This white one also is good, the transparent one, and the pigmented one is also good. I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. Why? I'll tell you. It definitely does what it is meant to do, right? And the packaging is also cute, the presentation is also nice. Plus it retails for only I think 160 something rupees. So it is very affordable. And sahi hai, matlab lip balm should be like this. I'm so sorry, my alarm went off. So yeah, so the product should be like this. Lip balm should behave like this, and it was behaving the way it is. So I would definitely say 9 out of 10. Why 1 point cut is there? Because there is no website पे definitely है इसका shade name. I don't remember. It is something like cherry, something cherry. कुछ तो cherry करके लिखा हुआ था. ऐसा कुछ shade है इसका. बस 1 point उसका cut. बाकी it is a very nice product. Lipstick. Obviously hydrating है, smooth भी है, and ठीक है, मतलब it is good. बस थोड़ा सा shade I was thinking कि थोड़ा सा और pigmented होता तो बहुत अच्छा लगता. But ठीक है, I liked it on my skin. It is good. It is carryable without base also. So I'm happy with it. Next up, last and but not the least, the free product. I did not choose it. ये choose किया गया था मेरे लिए और फिर मुझे भेजा गया है पैकेजिंग के प्रोडक्ट के साथ. ये जितना बिल किया है उसके साथ ही फ्री गिफ्ट आया था. अगर मैं चूज करूँ इसमें से, इस प्रोडक्ट रेंज में से, तो मैं थोड़ा डार्क शेड चूज करूँगी. बट स्टिल इट इज़ वेरी स्लिपरी it fades away and it is not pigmented. This ये वाला shade तो is definitely not pigmented. I have not tried other shades. I would definitely would want to try some other shades. So this is all. All right. That is all for today, and this was my final review on Hilary Rhoda. And not all products, yes, definitely we have to do eyes, so I'm leaving it out for the next time. So yeah, that is all. And if you like my videos, do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.